Hey there, Dice Rollers. Paul here, and I'll be your DM for a while. Welcome to, or welcome back to 30-Day Dungeon, my attempt to do 30 dungeons in 30 days. Welcome to day 24. I hope that you've enjoyed the journey thus far as much as I have. And if you're brand new here, I hope you'll enjoy this video enough to like and subscribe. And if you are a subscriber already, hey, listen, thank you so much for being on the journey with me. Thank you for being a part of the community, liking videos and so forth, and sharing. And if this is your first time here, welcome in. Thank you for being here. Would love for you to be a subscriber. Would love you to hit the like and the subscribe button, and you'll get videos like this on a regular basis. Now, listen, I'm not going to do dungeons every day. I'm not doing 365 dungeons. I'm just doing 30 dungeons in 30 days. Things will get back to somewhat normal here in a little while. I did do a video just recently on the best way to teach D&D. I hope that you'll check out that video. And listen, I want to let you know about a little contest we have going on. This is a code word because puzzles are in dungeons. And if you collect all 26 of these code words, say, Paul, why do you have 20? Well, I didn't think of the idea until video number 4. So if you go to day 4, starting with day 4 going on, there'll be 26 code words you can collect, and you can win one of these fabulous books here. That's right. These books here are some great resources for you. And if you collect all 26 words, send them to me at the end of this series. I will put you in the hat, draw out a name, and you'll get to choose one of these books. My apologies to the international community because, listen, I know it's tough because you can't participate in some things because there's all kinds of shipping issues, all that kind of thing. So please forgive me. I will be fleshing out these dungeons in future videos. I will be doing it over in the member area. So if you're interested in finding out how I flesh out some of these dungeons, be sure to check out the member area. There's lots of great videos over there already, and there'll be live streams and other contests and those kind of things happening over there. So check it out at your convenience, and I thank you in advance. And one of the other reasons that I am attempting this 30 days worth of dungeons is to inspire you. That's right, I'm hoping to inspire some of you that if you've not taken up the pen and the pad and tried to be a little creative, well, I hope that you'll give it a try. I hope that my attempt at doing these dungeons has said, at least say, I can do better than that. And if you can, then fantastic. Then mission accomplished. I'm glad that I inspired you to do so. And if I have inspired you, leave me a comment telling me what you've drawn. So let me tell you how this is going to work. I am going to roll these dice here, and it's going to tell me how many rooms are going to be in the dungeon. And then I'm going to roll on my friend Vance's dungeon generator chart here, and it's going to tell me things like how did the dungeon get ruined, what the dungeon location or theme is, and also maybe some big bads that are in there, and what is the goal or the prize. What are the player characters looking for? Why did they come on this adventure? So let's go and clear some things out of the way and get it going. All right, let's move these out of the way. We'll move this, get the dice over here, flip the page, and then we are ready to go. I have an idea for this one. I've been thinking about some different ways of drawing the dungeon, so hopefully I'll come up with something new today. So let's go and start first with how many rooms do we have? 9. Well, I drew 9 yesterday. Can we re-roll that? Let's re-roll. Let's re-roll. I like to use a luck point, please, or a hero point, or whatever you use in your game, but I would like to use one to do a re-roll. What do we have? 7. Okay, we'll go with 7. All right, let's move some things back over here. Keep that down. So we're going to go 7, and I'm going to make this a descending dungeon. So I'm going to have an elevator here, and this elevator is going to go so far. So there's going to be something up here, and hopefully it fits the theme. I don't know. We're going to find out, but let's find out here. We're going to do this, put that over there. Let's have an elevator, and the elevator will be right here, and we'll make kind of some things here. That'll be the elevator. Then there'll be an elevator shaft. What if it was like a Willy Wonka kind of an elevator? You go down this way, and it'll take you to various rooms. So the elevator will actually move along, and it'll stop in this area here. And then, let's see, we'll put this, that'll stop right there, and then we'll make another. It'll descend, let's put it this way. And then we'll descend this way if it wants to go down this way. And it'll come into another area right here. Let me come back over here and kind of do that. That way I know that's kind of the elevator stop. All right, so it'll go down, it'll go this way. And it'll go that way, and this way. And let's put another elevator stop right here. And the elevator come down this way, go this way. And then it's going to go back up again. So let's do this. Let's put it here. Put a room right here. And then the elevator, we'll put right here. And that will go up. The elevator will go up here. And maybe this will go just straight up. In other words, it'll just hit these areas here, just like a normal building, and the elevator will stop here, and then it will continue upward, and we'll have an elevator stop right here. And of course, elevators can be magical. They can be some sort of track system with pulleys and so forth. We get into all that later on. We'll figure out how it works. And let's put one more here. Let's let this one go down. This one will go down as well as up. So let's put one this way. It'll kind of go that way, and then we'll put one more room right here. All right, so it can go that way, go up and up and up. All right, so there we have it. We have 7 rooms built with elevator shafts and things. What could possibly go wrong, right? Characters falling down the shafts, all kinds of nonsense could happen. All right, let's see what kind of setting this is going to be. Roll a dice here. Let's see. Oh, okay. This is going to be sci tech, that works because you have the elevators working. So, okay, there's some sort of sci-tech type of thing. Maybe it's a steampunk, maybe Eberron influenced. All right, let's see why this dungeon has been ruined. Let's see, 33. All right, well, I don't like that one because I think we've used it already. So I'm going to pick one. I think I'm just going to go ahead and pick bloody. Something bloody. Something bloody has happened here in the sci-tech elevator system that we have going on here. All right, let's check out the occupants, see if they give us a clue to what's happening in this sci-tech type of thing. And by the way, we don't know what's happening up here yet. This is just a dungeon. Something's up here, right? Something, you have to come into something before this. So whatever this is, this kind of underground elevator system is somewhere up here. So we'll just have to see what that is. But let's go and check out the occupants first. What do we have for occupants? 61. Okay, interesting. Rust monsters. Rust monsters. You know what? I'm going to change the rust. They'll rust things, but what if they were tech monsters? Put that there. Why not, right? You have rust monsters. They're going to work on weapons and things like that, but tech monsters are kind of like gremlins. They get into everything. All right, let's see what the goal or the objective is. 61. Oh, a reunion. What is this a reunion of? A reunion of something, a bloody reunion or a blood reunion? Something's happening here. Something's going on. There's a reunion that the player characters hear about. Is it a reunion that the players are invited to? Are they all invited to the reunion? Is this like a high school reunion? Is this like a revenge? Something or other? They have some connection to this place, the player characters do. There's some sort of reunion that's happening. Now I'm getting Carrie vibes. I don't know what's happening here, but we'll see what happens. This is getting worse and worse as we go. Okay, let's see what is up top here real quick. Let me just make a roll here and see what is going on top there. See if we can figure out maybe give us some other ideas. A 44. Oh, okay. This is a prison. Maybe all the player characters were in this prison and they have been called to a reunion where there are rust monsters. They may have, sabotaged the elevator or something like that. But no, the real thing here, there's a bloody reunion happening here. And they have been called back to this prison. Maybe they were all guards at this prison. And one of those prisoners is now inviting them back for something really, really terrible that's happening here. Well, I like it. I think that's going to be a lot of fun. Tell me what you think. What's going on here? What kind of bloody reunion is happening here? Leave me some comments down below. And then if you want to check out some more of the dungeons I've done, well, I'll put a link to the playlist right over here. But hey, thank you so much for being here today. Thank you for being a part. And I'll see you all on day 25. Have a good day, everybody.